Mould King 13211, I believe, part number, excavator set. If you add a grease, I used olive oil because I didn't want to have anything toxic. Every single moving component on your drivetrain, and I do mean absolutely every pivot point, you don't have the drag issues that a lot of people encountered in the old videos. Performance is actually decent. However, typical China, the downside is that they give you one remote, which is 4 channels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these just interconnect the channel functions for each button. If you hold both buttons down for 2 to 3 seconds, it reverses the direction of the motor. So forward, hold it down, hold it down. Downside is that you have to turn the remote off, turn the box off, turn the other box on, turn the remote on, and now you can actually use the mechanism. And every single time you want to do something, you have to open it up, push the button, do the remote, close it, and then you can drive. So I'd say I give this about a 3 out of 5 stars, just because they should have shipped you another remote. Or your other option is you go online, you buy the 6-channel controller, because you have 6 motors. The 6-channel goes right here, you plug all of them into it, and that's the solution. It's about $40 online on Amazon, but that's really the only good solution other than buying another remote and having 2 remotes side by side. So overall, good price, excellent build quality, almost Legos, really can't tell the difference, but that's my impression of it. Hope it helps.